Hello, bus fans. I got another local pickup here. No original packaging, so there's a little mystery as to what this really is. I clearly found a picture of the real bus here. Izu Cactus Park. Oh, that's not written here. I see. So some sort of cactus park, I guess. Yeah, I don't know why it's not printed the same here. Alright, well, anyways, it's like one of these retro looking buses, but obviously for tourists and stuff to ride around in. And so I just got it because it's a different casting than usual from my other buses. And let's take a look here. We have some standard Choro-Q 5 spokes in green. And they're solid back there, but they're so deep. They look black back there, so I don't even need to add paint to the wheels. It says ring a bell. Okay, and then there's some depth to the windows here. They're recessed, so that's kind of neat. There's some gold printing here, as if it had a handrail or a fence, or keep people from falling off the back. And this is actually a sticker. I'm noticing there's an air pocket here, so this thing's kind of old, probably. In fact, it says O2 on the bottom right there, so this is a 20-year-old toy. There's a screw and a tab as usual. So actually, if you ignore this is more like a normal size Choro-Q bus, but then they have this extra plastic piece here, although this base is actually much longer than usual as well. Still has a coin holder. That must be the logo or something of this cactus park or something. And then it says 1472, and that photo also says 1472 actually. This is all flat here. This is a sticker actually. These windows I think are a sticker. Okay, it says Tokai Bus. I think that's the company that actually charters this thing. No door on this side. Alright. And the front is pretty flat, it's just that, but the windows are recessed. And there's the license plate again. So it's a real shame that they didn't mold, the center light and these, turn signals and stuff like that. But they do have a bump up top, and then this little raised thing to make it look retro, and it has, again, stickers for whatever vents are up there. Oh, it's probably a cover for the air conditioning or something like that. Okay, well, it's probably gonna roll well, it does go. It's probably not gonna go as fast as a normal Choro-Q being so big. So it's an interesting one. Izu Cactus Park. Alright. Let's get this guy going. And I have a whole collection now of these Choros that have this retro styling to them. Let me spin this a little slower. Boy, that seems really slow. Okay. This one there is, boy, I forget. I have to look up my ChoroQ videos. This one says Tokyo View from the Top. And also for some reason it says San Francisco Trolley. But I'm assuming that's running around Tokyo. And then here's a standard length bus. This is a Kobe City Loop bus. And the last one for today is this thing. But again, I don't know what it is. I have a feeling this might be a Tokyo bus also. If you're really interested, you can just search my videos for ChoroQ bus. And I don't have a great many videos, so you'll find these reviews. Okay, here's a top view. So you can see quite a different variety of castings going on here. And that's why I collect them. They're not realistic, but they look goofy. They look cartoony, so that's why I like these things. Let's get this guy spinning over here. So this one's definitely longer than usual. A lot more plastic going on. But I like it. It's unique. It doesn't seem to have as much molded details as some of the others I put up on the turn thing. But this could have been really cheap as well. I don't know. If anyone knows the real original price, that'd be interesting to learn about. I got a couple more of these Star Wars characters here, so I'm going to put Grand Moff Tarkin up here. These are made by Bandai. And they have a whole line of Star Wars and Marvel Universe figures. So, and then a whole bunch of other franchises, all with this same body, just different heads and paint apps. Kind of like how what Lego does, but I think these look better than Legos. Alright, well thank you for watching again, and I'll continue to get my buses as long as they're different casting. Thanks, bye.